Hello everyone, welcome to Tarano Speak English. I'm so happy you are here today. If you are a beginner and you want to speak English in real life, this channel is for you. We learn easy English step by step with real life conversations. Today is Lesson 2, Travel English. EP 5, English Conversation at the Café. In this lesson, you will learn how to order coffee, ask simple questions, and speak with confidence at a cafe. Remember, you don't need perfect English. Just speak slowly, smile, and practice every day. Let's start learning together. Situation 1. Entering the cafe.
Hi,
Hello, welcome.
this cafe smells so good.
Thank you. It's our secret coffee magic.
I hope it's not frog magic.
No frogs, only beans.
Good. I like beans more than frogs.
What can I get for you today?
I need coffee. I am very sleepy.
Coffee is our superpower.
Situation 2. Asking about the menu.
What do you recommend?
Our iced latte is very popular.
Is it sweet?
Yes, a little sweet and very cold.
Good. My brain is hot today.
Then iced latte is brain ice cream.
Nice joke. No spoon, right?
Only straw.
Okay, sounds good.
Great choice.
Situation 3. Ordering drinks.
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Small, please. My hands are small.
Small cup, big smile.
Can you draw a heart on top?
Yes, coffee art for you.
If it looks like a potato, it's okay.
My potatoes are cute.
Then I trust you.
Your cappuccino is coming.
Situation 4. Ordering food.
I'd like a croissant too.
Would you like it heated?
Yes, warm, please.
Good. Warm croissant, warm heart, and
I love butter. Maybe too much.
butter is happy food, and
My doctor says, eat less.
today is cheat day.
Okay, one happy croissant.
Coming right up.
Situation 5. Asking for special options.
Can I have soy milk instead of regular milk?
Of course.
Thank you. My stomach is shy.
Soy milk is gentle.
Is it tasty?
Yes, like soft clouds.
Clouds in my coffee.
No rain, I promise.
Good, I forgot my umbrella.
Soy milk cappuccino ready.
Situation 6. Asking the price.
How much is it?
It's $6.
$6 for happiness.
Coffee happiness is cheap.
True, my smile is free.
Then we both win.
Do you take coins?
Yes, we love coins, and
Good. My wallet is heavy.
we can help make it light.
Situation 7. Paying the bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card.
Tap like dancing?
Yes, little card dance.
My card is shy.
Tell it, be brave.
Okay, tap tap.
Payment done.
Easy like magic.
Coffee magic again.
Situation 8. Asking for Wi-Fi.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on your receipt.
Is it easy?
Yes. Love coffee 123.
I already love coffee.
Then you will log in fast.
Good. I must send photos.
Show your friends our cafe.
Yes, free ad for you.
Thank you, smart traveler.
Situation 9. Fixing an order mistake.
Sorry, this is hot coffee. I ordered iced.
I'm sorry. I'll change it for you then.
No problem. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for being kind.
I am kind before coffee. After coffee, more kind.
Ha ha, coffee hero.
My brain needs cold coffee.
New iced coffee coming.
Thank you so much.
Here you go, extra smile.
And situation 10. Leaving the cafe.
Thank you. Everything was great.
You're welcome.
Coffee was strong. I am awake now.
Good. No sleeping on the bus.
If I sleep, I dream about croissants.
Sweet dreams.
I will come again tomorrow.
We will be here.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Safe travels.
Great job today. You learned real-life English for speaking at a cafe. Practice these sentences again with a friend or by yourself. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Tarano Speak English. New lessons come every week to help you speak English step by step. Remember, speak a little every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Your English will get better and better. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.